A visit of the Asante Otumfuo Osei Tutu to the GA state rekindled 78 years of friendship between the GA and Ashanti states since 1946, when the then Asante Mantse Prempe paid a visit to the then GA Mantse ni Taria in a demonstration of love and peace. The two leaders at the Deba urged Ghanaians to unite and build the human capital needed for development. Serofori has more.
It was a demonstration of unity within the GA state, as all 7 clans and fetish priests and priestesses were duly represented. Each of the chiefs staged a grand entry with pomp and pageantry. The Deba grounds was deafening with the incessant firing of musketry. Then it was the turn of the Gamanche, ni Takite Kochuru, the host of the Asante. They all waited with bated breath as the Asante Otumfuo Osei Tutu made a glamorous entry to the Deba grounds. There were special performances by the chiefs demonstrating the cultural exchanges between the Asante and the GA people. The Greater Accra Regional Minister, Mr. Titus Glover, described Otumfuo Osei Tutu as a venerable statesman.
We witness in his reign an epitome of peace, a symbol of unity, and also leadership, qualitative leadership that he has demonstrated during his reign as the king of Asante. We as Ghanaians are so proud of him for what he has exhibited to make chieftaincy so beautiful.
As a symbol of his gratitude to the GA Mantse during his 25th anniversary, the Asante Otumfuo Osei Tutu presented drinks and donated 500,000 cedis to the GA Mantse as seed money to establish an educational trust fund. The gesture, he says, will support needy but brilliant children in the GA state to pursue further education.
Minimza GA Mantse Asante yanyegin to entubwem fro bia ho na emom kwen ebedi animo ebetumi akama bibia bade e wo se ya sede se ye mesran kranfo nyina se ye mmoa no ye nta na chi mutumi ni animo ma empuntuo man kranma.
The GA Mantse ni Takite Kochuru hailed the show of unity, peace and hospitality exhibited by the GA people and called for a transparent and peaceful elections come December 2024. In a demonstration of peaceful coexistence, the GA Mantse and the Asante embraced and walked each other out of the Deba grounds. The tradition of inclusiveness, welcoming strangers and adapting customs and traditions from other groups is synonymous with the GAs. This led to the assimilation of various ethnic groups, including the Akan, into the GA society. Serofori, GBC News, 4 Courts of GA Mantse Palace, Accra.